Many months ago, I introduced the first Snapchick field trip where you, my viewers, could participate firsthand alongside me and Raymond. That trip was last week, and I want to tell you, it was a delight. It was amazing and life-changing. If you think that means that we all had a great time, we did. We had 20 people on the trip, including Raymond and myself, our hosts, Dr. Jose Francisco Salgado and Dale Baskin from dpreview.com, and viewers of my channel, and a few attendees who did not join through my channel, but maybe are viewers now. Each night, we loaded up 2 large vans and went to various points around Yellowknife, which is the capital of the Northwest Territories in Canada. We all had gear, lots of it. It was definitely a gearhead feast. New gear, old gear, high-end, not so high-end, and we used it all. Time lapses, still images, and a few were even brave enough to crank up the ISO and capture amazing real-time videos of the aurora. Now, before I go further, I have created a kit that contains most of the gear that we brought. I also created a video for my members with a complete walkthrough of every piece of gear that we brought, from backpacks to bodies to tripods and lenses to all the little doodads that make it all work, along with how each item worked for us and how we transported everything. There are links in the description to both of those things, and if you are interested in joining my channel for access to that video and much more member-exclusive content, click that join button down below, and if you don't see a join button, I've also placed a link in the description of this video. Collectively, the entire group was on a mission each night. Bundle up, go outside, stand under the night sky, and wait for the show to begin. We had cloudy nights, we had clear nights, we had nights that were both. We had cold nights and colder nights, but nearly every night was an epic feast for the eyes and cameras. I had never seen anything like the Aurora Borealis before, and I don't think that there's anything else in the world quite like it. I'm obviously sharing some trip highlights with you today, but I also want to mention 3 videos coming up in the next few weeks. For the next video, I sat down for an exclusive video with Dr. Jose Francisco Salgado. He uses the aurora and other amazing spectacles to communicate science through art. He's combined the two in ways that I'd never dreamed of before, and I had a fabulous opportunity to sit down with him and bring his guidance straight to you all. So look for that very soon. And not long after that, Raymond and I will bring you our best images and footage woven together to give you the best view possible of what we experienced in those amazing night skies. And last, the grand finale. A book. I do want to sincerely thank the viewers that took a chance and joined this trip. Everyone seemed to have a great time, and it was wonderful to connect with some viewers in person, side by side, cameras clicking away. In fact, a close second to the aurora itself were the times that we all hung out in the hotel business center. We talked cameras, Lightroom, Photoshop, Capture One, Nikon, Sony, Canon, time lapses, settings, and anything else that came up. The trip worked on so many levels, and it makes me want to schedule another. I personally learned a lot about what I would do the same and what I would do differently next time. Speaking of which, I want to give you the chance to reach out to me for your ideas for future trips. Whether you are an attendee of this trip or would like to join a field trip in the future, you can comment below, or as always, you can reach me at leigh@snapchick.com. Let me know what your ideas are for that next epic photo adventure. Maybe it's Aurora Borealis Part 2, or maybe it's something completely different. I'm still catching my breath after that phenomenal trip. It was exhausting, but well worth it. Hang with me and stay tuned for those upcoming videos where I will share more photos and time lapses and information. Make sure that you are subscribed and hit the bell so that you are notified when the videos go live. And one more thing. I've been posting my results on social media, Instagram in particular, and I will continue to do that. Raymond too, actually. We have a ridiculous number of photos taken between still photos and photos taken for time lapses. well over 20,000. And they're all slightly different, so we'll have plenty more to share on social media in the coming weeks. I'll include links to our accounts in the description, along with the other links that I mentioned in this video. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.